While we weren't allowed to give Google Assistant any commands ourselves, a guided demo of the product played up the key functionality that you can expect from the WK9. In it, we saw Google Assistant perform all the usual tasks. It was able to check a schedule, find nearby restaurants on Yelp, get directions on Google Maps and play videos from YouTube. We've heard this all before from Google Assistant, and have even held that power in the palm of our hands on some Android devices like the Pixel and Pixel 2, but this is the first time seeing Google Assistant on a dedicated smart speaker. In fact, this is probably the WK9's greatest strength: it doesn't use Amazon Alexa. Speaking from experience with hundreds of hours with both in my home, Google Assistant has, time and time again, shown itself to be the smarter AI of the two. It understands more requests phrased in more natural ways thanks to its deep integration with Google Search. Sure, both will stumble from time to time, but it's always felt like Google stumbles less and understands more than Alexa ever has. But Google Assistant isn't the only trick the WK9 has up its sleeve. It also works as a Chromecast-capable device and, according to the demo we saw, will support voice and video calling, a feature that has been sorely missing from third-party Google Assistant speakers up until now. With both Assistant and Chromecast by its side, the WK9 could pose a very potent adversary against the Amazon Echo Show.